Pandas create new column based on values from other columns to apply a function of multiple columns, row-wise. I want to apply my custom function. It uses an if-else ladder to these 6 columns: area_Hispanic, area_Amerind_Acnit, area_Asian, area_Black_AFR.Amer, area_High_Passisal, area_White, in each row of my data frame. I've tried different methods from other questions but still can't seem to find the right answer for my problem. The critical piece of this is that if the person is counted as Hispanic, they can't be counted as anything else. Even if they have a 1 in another ethnicity column, they still are counted as Hispanic, not 2 or more races. Similarly, if the sum of all the array columns is greater than 1, they are counted as 2 or more races and can't be counted as a unique ethnicity, except for Hispanic. It's almost like doing a for loop through each row, and if each record meets a criterion, they are added to one list and eliminated from the original. From the data frame below, I need to calculate a new column based on the following spec in SQL. Criteria. Comment. If the array flag for Hispanic is true, 1, the employee is classified as Hispanic. Comment. If more than one non-Hispanic array flag is true, return 2 or more. Data frame.
Okay, 2 steps to this. First is to write a function that does the translation you want. I've put an example together based on your pseudocode. You may want to go over this, but it seems to do the trick. Notice that the parameter going into the function is considered to be a series object labeled a row. Next, use the apply function in Pandas to apply the function, e.g. Note the axis equals 1 specifier. That means that the application is done at a row, rather than a column level. The results are here. If you're happy with those results, then run it again, saving the results into a new column in your original data frame. The resultant data frame looks like this. Scroll to the right to see the new column.
.apply takes in a function as the first parameter. Pass in the label _race function as so. You don't need to make a lambda function to pass in a function.
Since this is the first Google result for Pandas new column from others, here's a simple example. If you get the setting with copy one in, you can do it this way also. Source, this URL. And if your column name includes spaces, you can use syntax like this. And here's the documentation for apply and assign.
The answers above are perfectly valid, but a vectorized solution exists, in the form of number py.select. This allows you to define conditions, then define outputs for those conditions, much more efficiently than using apply. First, define conditions. Now, define the corresponding outputs. Finally, using number py.select. Why should number py.select be used over apply? Here are some performance checks. Using number py.select gives us vastly improved performance, and the discrepancy will only increase as the data grows.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.